Hi, I'm Ryan Blair, Senior Product Manager for our adhesives here at Laticrete, and today I'm going to talk to you about Multi-Max 1, our pre-mixed adhesive mortar. Until now, most pre-mixed adhesives had limitations, or they were simple mastics. Today we're announcing the launch of the industry's first pre-mixed mortar that achieves all ANSI specifications for adhesive mortars and can be used on all tile and stone installations. Multi-Max 1 is a versatile adhesive and is suitable for various substrates, including wet and submerged areas. It's UL Green Guard certified for low VOC emissions and requires no mixing before use. Unlike mastics, Multi-Max 1 exceeds ANSI A 118.15 and ANSI A 118.11, making it qualified for plywood as well as large and heavy tile, has an extended open time, and is non-sag. Any size tile can be used, from setting smaller mosaics all the way up to gauge porcelain tile panels. Multi-Max 1 offers a lifetime warranty when used in conjunction with other lifetime warranty products from Laticrete. For more information on Multi-Max 1, please visit our website at laticrete.com or contact your local Laticrete distributor.